How to use EBT or Snap on Walmart. Hello, everybody. If you guys would also like to use EBT or Snap on Walmart store, you may follow up the steps. So first of all, head over to Walmart application and open it up. And once you open it up, you may just go over and look out for the services option, which is usually on the fourth tab on the screen right before account. You may tap on it. And then after you tap on it, you will be finding different popular services store tools within Walmart store. So you may just go ahead and scroll down from the given options. And when you scroll down, you will be finding this section of insurance and benefits. You may look out for this option of Snap EBT and tap on it. And here, what you may do is you may just go ahead and link your card here. So we have this option of Snap and EBT cash accepted. So you can add an EBT card to your Walmart account to use funds online. You can look out for a link card option, and for that you need to be signed in, of course. You can just go ahead and sign in and create an account first of all. And once that is done, you will be getting an option here. So you can just go ahead and fill out your card with Snap eligible groceries within the application, the store, and Walmart. And at checkout, you can select your EBT card as the payment method once your card has been linked. And choose pickup or delivery depending upon your location and preferences. And pay any non-EBT balance with another form of payment like a credit card or debit card. But if you're eligible for Snap EBT, you can just go ahead and use that card. And that's it. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.